Assalamu Walaikum. In this video I will show you how to insert header only first page in Google Docs. Let's get started. Firstly, insert the header. Go to insert menu, header and footer, header. Add your header text and object. And go to end of text first page and create the section break, insert menu, break, section break. Now double click on the header and remove the link to previous. Now check the header only have first page. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.